This is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked thousands of cases. I worked at IRS for 10 years. Just go see me. Not a bragger like a lot of people. Just go to 777irs.com. Like I said, I've worked about 10,000 cases, 10 long years at IRS. I've been on all the major news stations. Yeah, they want a little old me's opinion. Just go to 777irs.com and find them. So, have you got an IRS final notice? LT 11 or 1058? IRS is at it again. IRS suppressed all the final notices during COVID, and they sent out a really soft letter. It was an LT 58, letting them know, well, we're not really doing a lot, but guess what? IRS is laying the hammer down right now, and if you don't answer this letter by calling them or contacting them or doing whatever, IRS is they're gonna take they're gonna garnish your wages, and they're gonna send out a notice of levy. That's what they're doing right now. So there's, what I heard, over 25 million people in delinquent collections right now. They're not going to do them all at one time. They sent a major wave out this week, and my guess, in the next 30 to 45 days, banks are going to be popped, garnished, wages are going to be garnished. You just simply got to call IRS. That's what you got to do. But there's something about calling IRS that you have to be careful. I go over this all the time. So many people call IRS. They says, I should have called you. I didn't. Now I got a payment agreement I can't keep. One guy got just smacked for $2,800. He just called me not too long ago. And why? Because IRS has a national standard program. What does that mean? That means IRS is going to dictate to you what you can spend for your food and clothing, your housing and utilities, your car payments, and your car expenses. You've got to use IRS expenses, and that's going to be a wake-up call for you. What you need to do is understand what that program is before you call. If you're going to do it on your own, if you owe a large amount of money, don't even bother to do it on your own, because you're not going to get, I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to get slammed by, I did this for a living, so I know how IRS is going to treat you. So find someone. You're certainly welcome to call me, but please do not ignore this letter. Sometimes they come out certified, sometimes they don't. When they say final notice this time, it is the final time. There is no other final notice. Give me a subscription if you would. That's really big. It tells YouTube I know what I'm doing. Plus, make sure all your tax returns are filed. That's really big. One of the first questions IRS is going to say is, are your returns filed? So anyway, if you need me, call me. We are experts in this. We have worked thousands of these cases, and we can help you get your tax debt settled. Thank you so much.